Hello everyone, this is Manoj. You are watching JavaScript tutorial series part 2, which is displaying hello world. So today we are going to learn about what are the possible ways of displaying hello world. So we have four methods of displaying hello world. One is inner.html, the second one is console.log, third one is window.alert, fourth one is document.write. So let's try each one by one. So currently I'm in this folder, so let me open it this in command prompt, and I will open this folder in VS Code and wait till it open. It has been opened. So first I will create a HTML file which is index.html. So index file has been created, so let's create HTML snippet. So HTML snippet has been created, so let me write script tag here where we're gonna write our JavaScript code. Suppose let me start with inside the body, which is the script. I will remove it from here and right below body tag, and inside body I will create h1 tag and I will use id hello, where we're gonna write our first hello world line inside h1 tag using JavaScript. So let's start with our first method, that is inner HTML. So what I will do, inside script tag we're gonna use document.getElement by id, where it will go into HTML file and search for the id which is having name of hello, and I will use inner HTML property to display into that tag. So I will write hello world inside this. Suppose if I open this one, so let me open this in Chrome. Here we did not added hello world inside h1 tag, but we added this one through JavaScript. This is the script where it will help me to add this inside h1 tag. So this is one method. So now we'll be trying our second method using console.log. So let me replace this entire thing with console.log. Hello world. So but the thing is, it won't display in the Chrome tab. Instead it will display in the console tab. Suppose if I refresh it, if I see in the console, it is displayed hello world. And this is also one of the method of displaying. And now let's go to our third method, that is window.alert. So what I will do, I will write a direct window.alert of hello world. So let's see what will happen. Suppose if I go here in the corner, if I refresh it, see, and I refresh it, initially only it is giving me the hello world, but it is alerting. That means it is not displaying either in console, not in Chrome tab, but instead it is giving an alert. So this is the another way of displaying result. Now our final method is using document.write. So let's try that one. Document.write of hello world. Let's see what will happen. Here it is displaying, and here also it is displaying. So if I go to elements, if I check in the script, here the document.write is already wrote, but that it is displaying in here. It's completely outside of h1 tag. So far we have seen 4 methods of displaying hello world in JavaScript.